our stainless steel corollary cabinet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 52 inches, a depth of 12.5 inches, and a height of 33.25 inches tall. Coming to the top are two split sections. The first section measuring 34.25 inches. 34.25 inches is between the left and right guards. And with the second and right section, we have a length of 16 inches. Measurements for each guard will include 3/4 thickness by 9.5 inches in height. Coming to the bottom are 3 doors. Coming to the bottom are 3 doors that can be opened to store your products within the cabinet. Measurements for the cabinet will include 52 inches in length, 26.25 inches in height, by 12 inches in depth. Please note that the right and second section also has a slot and opening. The measurements for the opening will include 9 inches in depth by 13 inches in length. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product.